Today, we've got a fascinating topic that's been on our minds for quite some time. Can villagers open gates in Minecraft? It might seem like a simple question, but trust me, there's a lot more to it than you might think. So, grab your pickaxes, and let's dive right into this exploration together.
Segment 1. Defining gates in Minecraft. First things first, let's set the stage. In the world of Minecraft, gates are those trusty wooden blocks we use to create barriers between different areas, kind of like a fence. You can open and close them with ease, and they're super handy for keeping those pesky mobs out or corralling your cows and sheep.
But here's where it gets interesting. Imagine a bustling Minecraft village, with villagers going about their daily lives. You'd think they'd be able to open gates, right? Well, it's not that simple.
Segment 2. The burning question, can villagers open gates? Alright, now that we're on the same page about gates, let's tackle the big question, can villagers open gates? Well, the short answer is a resounding no. But there's more to it than meets the eye, so let's peel back the layers.
You see, villagers are pretty smart, but when it comes to gates, they're not quite up to the task. If a gate is closed behind them or if they accidentally wander into a fenced area, they can't find their way out. So, what do? They stand there, patiently waiting for someone to open the gate and let them through. Poor villagers.
But what if you're faced with a more sinister threat? Zombies! Those relentless undead creatures that lurk in the dark. How do gates fare against them?
Segment 3, Zombie Woes and Gate Defense. The undead dilemma. Zombies are notorious for breaking down doors and gates, but guess what? They can't touch fences. So, if you're serious about protecting your villagers from a full-on zombie apocalypse-style attack, consider swapping out those gates for sturdy fences.
Gates may be charming, but when it comes to defending your villagers, you'll want to go the extra mile. Fences are the way to go. Now, let's talk about our villagers' guardian angels. You know who I'm talking about, the mighty Iron Golems.
Segment 4, Iron Golems, the guardian angels. Hold on, you might be wondering about those towering protectors. Don't they swoop in to protect villagers from zombies and other threats? They absolutely do. But here's the twist, even these hulking defenders can't open gates. We've got a solution for that too, so keep watching.
Iron Golems are your best buddies when it comes to safeguarding villagers. They're solid and powerful, but they need a helping hand when it comes to gates. So, if you want your Iron Golems to move freely around your village, you'll need to leave some openings for them to pass through.
To sum it all up, folks, villagers can't open gates in Minecraft. But hey, that doesn't mean it's game over for them. There's plenty to think about when it comes to gates, fences, and protecting your villagers. By understanding these mechanics, you can keep your little Minecraft villagers safe and sound.
Now, before we sign off, we've got an exciting announcement. If you're aged 7 to 16, this is your golden opportunity to level up your Minecraft skills and grab yourself a sweet gift card. But act fast because this offer won't last forever. Get your parents on board for a trial class as soon as possible, and let's take your game to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your Minecraft prowess.
Moonpreneur is here to help you learn the art of coding through Minecraft. Our Minecraft coding course is the fastest, most fun way to master this essential skill. Book a free class today and unlock the endless possibilities of coding. Imagine building your own Minecraft mods and adventures. The possibilities are limitless.
That's a wrap, Minecrafters. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of gates, villagers, and Iron Golems. Remember, villagers might not open gates, but with the right knowledge, you can build a fortress that even the most relentless zombies can't penetrate. And don't forget to check out Moonpreneur's Minecraft coding course. It's the future of learning while having a blast. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy crafting and coding!